あんまり真に受けないようにしないといけない。
We should not take it too seriously. Did you notice the three negatives? We have this in English too. In theory, I ain't got no money should mean you at least have a penny. But in practice, that's not what it means. Japanese makes great use of double negatives to bring the sentence back to a positive. Let's try an experiment.
あなたのことが好き。
I like you. Easy enough. Now, after a short pause, you add a bit more.
あなたのことが好きじゃない。
I don't like you. Uh-oh. But before she slaps you, one more step.
あなたのことが好きじゃないわけじゃない。
It's not that I don't like you. The
わけじゃない。
brings it back to a positive.
わけじゃない。
Is used to express that something is not the case or not necessarily true. I was speaking with a Japanese friend the other day, and he said this sentence.
あんまり真に受けないようにしないといけない。
I understood what he was saying, but my brain had to do 3 flips to confirm.
あんまり真に受けないようにしないといけない。
You must not take it, him, her, etc. too seriously. This example has 3 negatives, which means it remains overall negative. Let's break the sentence down to follow the logic.
あんまり、
Not too much.
あんまり真に受けない。
Take seriously.
あんまり真に受けないように。
In order to.
あんまり真に受けないようにしない。
Not do.
あんまり真に受けないようにしないと。
If. Conditional particle. All this becomes.
あんまり真に受けないようにしないといけない。
We should not take it too seriously. Perhaps you're more confused now. Sorry, but look for other instances of double or even triple negative sentences in Japanese. You probably won't have to look very hard. Let's wrap things up with repetition practice. Repeat the 2 example sentences after the speaker.
あなたのことが好きじゃないわけじゃない。あなたのことが好きじゃないわけじゃない。あんまり真に受けないようにしないといけない。あんまり真に受けないようにしないといけない。あんまり真に受けないようにしないといけない。皆さん、頑張りましょう。チャンネル登録してね。